The rate at which businesses are adapting to Industry 4.0 is dizzying. Propelled by this new technological age of digitized information, artificial intelligence and analysis of stored data allows us to detect gaps in our processing and production systems quickly, enabling us to save time and money. They have, therefore, become essential tools, pointing the way forward for improved competitivity and productivity. And for this reason, more and more businesses are asking us, how do I optimize day-to-day management, reduce costs, and get better business management results? Welcome to Kron Analytics. At Kron, we offer a business intelligence platform that is capable of integrating multiple technologies and data sources into one system for the creation of performance indicators. The Kron Analytics platform makes analyzing all types of data easier, turning them into vital information in real time to find out what has taken place, what is currently happening, and furthermore, predict what will happen in the future. Discover our tailor-made solutions. Get in touch with us and join the technological revolution. You don't want to get left behind. Kron Analytics. Better data, better decisions. The Open Platform BI.